welcome back to class. Okay, so for today's lesson, we'll be focusing on one of the units from the Cambridge Primary Box, Flyers level. Alright, for this particular topic, we'll be discussing on the proper usage between comparative additive versus superlative additive. Alright, so let's dive straight right into the lesson right here. Okay, as you can see, we have an image between two books. Okay, so one is the red colored big in size and another one is the blue colored small in size. Okay, so how do you normally write two different comparative sentences by using these two words that you see right here? Okay, if you want to make the red book as the main focus, you can always try to write it like this. The red book is ER, then the blue book. Okay, so you need to insert the word that you have seen from the previous slide, and you also need to make sure the spelling is correct, because certain words you need to add in a double letter to make it into a proper spelling. Okay, for this one, the answer will be bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R. So the full sentence will look like this. The red book is bigger than the blue book. Okay, how about if you want to make it in reverse? That rule can still be applied, and you can always try to write this sentence if you want to focus on the blue book into something like this. Okay, the blue book is ER than the red book. Okay, make sure to insert your verb and then plus the ER letters at the back. So the full sentence will become the blue book is smaller than the red book. Alright, now let's look at the superlative additive. Okay, so superlative, it is normally used to describe something or someone of the highest value. Okay, if you use comparative additive, it is normally to compare between two objects, two items, or two people. Okay, versus superlative additive, you are given more than two things, two objects, two people, and so on. Okay, it is to describe something of the highest level possible. Okay, now let's look at this example on screen right here. We have three different books. Okay, we have the red color, we have the middle one, and we also have the blue one as well. So how do we make superlative sentences? Okay, now I want you to try to look at the sentence and choose which one is the correct answer for this. Okay, the sentence is the blank space book is the biggest. Okay, so the correct answer will be the red book. Okay, the red book has the highest level, being the biggest one out of the three books presented on screen right here. Let's look at another example using the superlative word, the smallest. Okay, so now tell me, which one is the smallest? Okay, that's right, the one at the very end right there, the blue book. Okay, so the sentence will be the blue book is the smallest one. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept, and I will see you next lesson. Alright, take care.